next problem statement is to merge the contents of two files onto the third file. So we have two files, 1.txt we have Aravind and Hemastri in this, and 2.txt we have Vishwajit, Manijit, Manvita, Harshini. So these are the four names which are there in the 2.txt, and in 1.txt there are two names. Now what is my output I required as part of this particular code is I want to copy these two contents onto a third file and it should be merged together. So the third file should consist of Aravind Hemastri followed by Vishwajit, Manijit, Manvita, Harshini. All these two contents onto the single file. Now let us see this code. So here I took the variables char ch to read the individual characters, file1, file2 and a target file name to read, and these are the file pointers, file1, file2 and merge or the file pointers. So here first I am reading the name of the file to copy and I am storing it in F1. Next file1 equal to fopen of F1 with R. So I am opening that file in read mode. So before opening the file in the read mode, let me also check whether that file exists or not. If it is exists, then it will not be null. Then we can go for the next file. We can read the name of the next file. So here we are going to give the enter first name of the file. In F1 we are going to store the first file, and file1 equal to fopen of F1 comma R. We are opening the first file in the read mode and we are checking with a condition if file1 equal to null, which means the file does not exist. If file1 is not equal to null, we can proceed for the next step, that is enter the second file name. We can input the second file name and we are storing it in F2. Now file2 pointer equal to fopen of F2 comma R. Here our target is to copy the contents of two files and store it onto the third file. That is the reason why we are reading the first file, we are opening the file 1 in read mode, we are opening the second file in the read mode, and we are checking the second file whether it is null. If it is not null, then we are going to give the third, that is target file name, where you want to merge the contents of two files. So enter the name of a target file where you want to merge the two file contents, and we are going to store it in the target variable. Now merge is a file pointer where we are allocating the target file and we are opening this target file in the append mode. So we all know that whenever we open a file in the append mode, if the file does not exist, it will create a new file. If the file is already exist, then it will try to append the contents of the file, which means the previous contents will be preserved and the newer contents will be added to the file. Now here I am writing two while loops. The first while loop is used to copy the contents of first file. The first while loop is used to copy the contents of first file. So this is to copy the contents of first file onto the target, that is onto the target file, to copy the contents of first file to the target file. And the next one we are going to write to copy the contents of second file onto the target file. So this is how we can copy the contents of two files and we can store it onto the third file. As the file is opened in the append mode, so it will successfully copy the two contents of the file and it will store it on the third file. Now let me execute this code and show you the output. Let me show first 1.txt we have two names. In 2.txt we have four names. Now let me execute this code. Enter first file name. The first file name is 1.txt, 1.text file. The second, enter the second file. The second file is 2.txt. The second file is 2.txt. Now enter the name of the merged file, the target file where you want to merge the contents. Now the target file name, here I am going to give it as third.txt. So as soon as we enter, we get a message like files merged successfully, and you can see the third.txt file which has got as an output the contents of first file are two names, the contents of 2.txt are 4 names which are merged and we got it in the third file. So this is how we can copy the contents of 2 files and store it onto the third file. If at all if you are not giving any of the file, then your program will come out from the given code. Now let me execute with one test case where I am going to give the file name which does not exist. So let me give the file name which does not exist. Let me give one file name like program.txt. Program.txt is the file name. So press any key to exit. From here itself the code has been stopped. If you are giving the first file which is exist, then it asks for the second file. If second file if you are giving which is not exist, then it is not going to perform the logic of the merging. So we should take utmost care whenever we are trying to copy the contents of 2 files onto the third file. Definitely the 2 files must exist and the third file, the merged file, need not be exist. The reason why am I saying it need not be exist is we are opening that file in append mode. If we open the file in the append mode, if the file does not exist, it will create a new file and it will also append the contents of previous file contents, followed by it will take the new contents onto the file. So that is the importance of append mode. So this is how we can copy the contents of 2 files and we can store it onto the third file.